Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm in fourth year mechanical engineering, and this year I'm working in Dr. Simmons' lab. I'm working to create a 3D platform in microfluidic devices to investigate cell pathobiology.
Okay.
So the field of research that I'm doing lies between the field of biology and mechanics. So what I study in particular is the structure of aortic valves. And in particular, the structure of aortic valves is composed of two layers of cells, endothelial cells and interstitial cells. And what we want to do is to investigate what is that communication between those two cell types. So at the present, we have created a device called a microfluidic device, which enables us to study such a phenomenon. But at the present, it's not very physiologically relevant because it doesn't mimic the 3D environment in which these cells live in. So the goal of my project is to create a 3D platform to culture cells in, and so that way we can more accurately study the communication between these cell types and hopefully see how the communication regulates the progression of valvular disease. So one of the main ways I'm doing this is by using a biomaterial called gelatin methacrylate in order to encapsulate these cells. And by varying the parameters of this biomaterial, I can create a material that can yield the optimum cell viability. So the hopes is that with this new platform, we can create a microfluidic system that is closer and closer to the true 3D vascular environment. So the one big thing that I got from doing research at engineering at the University of Toronto is the importance of taking initiative in your own work. I think that in research, it's most of the time, there's not really anyone telling you what to do, what the next steps to take are. So it's really up to you to figure out and think critically about how you're going to make your work progress to the next level. And the great thing about working at the University of Toronto is that there's so many knowledgeable and supporting people in the lab that are willing to help you in those times when you're not sure which direction to take. So overall, it's a really great environment to work in, especially if you're really into taking those initiatives and doing work that can later on be a big contribution.